Hey everyone, Techne here. What we have today is a review on the Turtle Beach Recon 70. They almost look like a spitting image of those Recon 200s that we recently reviewed, right? And speaking about that, how these Recon 70s look similar to the Recon 200s, I'm going to start introducing a new video format into this channel here, which is kind of like, it's going to have like a comparison, like let's say this or this, whether it be a mouse or a keyboard or a headset, which one will be better? I review so many products, and some of you, a lot of the products I review I really like, and some of you might be wondering, well, gee, should I get that one, or what's really different from that one or that one? So what can I do? Like, I don't know if I want to call it a versus, but it'll be like, okay, Recon 70 or the Recon 200, something like that, or verse, whatever it may be, just a basic comparison. Now we're still going to keep on doing our just basic product reviews, right, which we all love, but again, I'm just going to kind of throw this in there, just be a quick little rundown of, hey, this one or this one. But anyways, let's want to get into the Recon 70. Check this out right here. It says built for battle royale, right? Over here on the side it says dominate the map and plush ear cushions that keep you comfortable from 100 to 1. Heck, I just need to be comfortable from 100 to maybe like, I don't know, maybe 95. Now first off, as you guys see right here, it says for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 4 Pro, right? Now this headset comes in black and green, white and green, blue and black, white and black, black and red, and then this red and black here. And each of the color schemes are for console. Obviously the green for Xbox, the blues for PlayStation. This red here is a Best Buy exclusive. And while we talk about that, the different colors and for whichever system you're using it on, they are all 3.5, so they are all going to work across every single platform. So you don't got to worry about it. You can plug this into your Xbox controller, your PlayStation controller, your PC, or your Nintendo Switch. So just get whatever stinking color you like. And speaking of color, you all know I love me some red and black, right? You make something that's red and black, I'm more than likely going to scoop it up, So that's why I picked up this set. This headset's been out for, I don't know, maybe about a month or so, but this color just released, I think yesterday actually, So I was kind of waiting for this one. And I'm not very happy with it. I don't know if the camera really picks it up. If you guys saw any close-ups there, see, it's so hard to tell, but this red, it's very kind of like maybe a little faded red. You kind of get more of a burgundy vibe from it, you know what I mean? Like I'm looking at it in the camera and it looks pretty stinking red, but honestly, when you're looking at it in real life right here, it feels like a faded red, not that real crisp, just punchy red. So honestly, if I could redo it, I wish I would have got the black and red set, which is the Nintendo Switch one, because that red on there looks really punchy, and contrasting with that black with the red accents looks really good. But again, that's just style. That's not really, downfall on the headset or anything like that. But again, just wanted to point it out that this is not that punchy kind of red. So let's start like we always do. Number one, comfort. So, I mean, they are comfortable. They're extremely light. And when you put them on your head, like, it's just that perfect fit. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It is right there as far as comfort. You adjust the headset on the side, just like that. It just pulls up. You have your clicks in between right there. You have plenty of motion within the ear cups, as you can see them going in and out. And then you can fold them flat back there. So whatever shape of head, glasses, or anything, they're going to fit you perfect. Now, you do just have that little padding on the top up there, but honestly, it's perfect. It's just enough. It grips on the side of your head and then rests right up there, and you honestly almost forget it's on your head. It's that comfortable. So we get a pass in the comfort department. Now let's go ahead and talk about sound. Now, yes, it says PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 Pro, but like I said, it's 3.5, so use it across any device. So I tested across every device. Well, everything except the Xbox. I did PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and PC. And we're going to start with PC because that's what I play on the most. And it didn't sound good on PC. To be honest with you, I was a little disappointed. You know what I mean? I just couldn't get them really just loud enough, I'd say. Like the sound quality was fine. Maybe it's my old ears, but I just couldn't get them loud enough, and that's going through all my PC settings and then within the headset as well, right? Which right back here, as you saw in the close-ups before, you have your volume rocker right there on the back. and that's really the only control on it. Now, when we went to the Nintendo Switch, they sounded fantastic. I mean, they sounded really, really good. I was very shocked with it, especially for the price. And then I went ahead and plugged it into the PlayStation, started playing some Uncharted 4. Oh, mamma mia, that's such a great game. But anyways, I started playing that, and wow, I don't know if it was the headset or the game, but I sat there testing them out for a lot longer than I intended on. But like I said, sitting there playing Uncharted on the PlayStation 4, I got really sucked into it and just immersed. The sound was good. Again, is it the best headset you're going to find? No. But it's $39, right? So kind of take it like that. Like you're buying a $39 headset. It's not going to be this, rock and just punch and just crazy headset, But for the $39 as far as sound on console, I think we get a win. Again, I don't recommend you scooping these up for PC. Maybe you want to look at the Atlas line or something like that. But for console, I say we get a win. Now, one thing I do want to point out before we get into the mic test here is just the build quality, right? This kind of brings me back a little bit to the old Turtle Beach style. Like, again, as you guys have seen in the close-up, if you can see that arm right there, there you go. That's a little bit better. You can see that arm is plastic, and inside of it is plastic as well. There's no, honestly, like looking over here, there's no metal. But as of right now, how it is, I'm stretching it and bending it. The build quality, it's there. But like I said, you might want to be a little more careful with this guy because it's all plastic. Now, as far as the mic, it is flip up to mute. As you can see, it's right down there. That's when it will be active. And then you flip it up and it's muted. Now, there's no controls, as we talked about before. The only control on the back of the headset is the volume. There's no voice chat, no mic monitoring, anything like that on here. You can probably adjust all that stuff within your system you're using, whether it be Xbox or whatnot, But as far as headset, that is what you got. All right, so as you're hearing the mic through the headset that we're using right now, it's not the best. But honestly, in my opinion, for a $39 headset, I think it passes. So all in all, I mean, what do we think about the Recon 70? I like them. I really do. For $39, it's a fantastic headset. Again, for that $39, you know what I mean? Sure, the build quality is not the best. The sound quality is not the best. But again, we got to class it in that $39 price range, right? And at that $39 price range, I think it's good. And that's where I'm going to leave it right there at good. And don't think just that I say it's good is me saying, oh, hey, it's not worth getting or it's a piece of junk. Really not at all. At that $39 price range, I think this is a pretty solid headset, especially for your kids or something like that, right? You don't want to go off and buy some, $300-$400 headset. I think they're going to be pretty happy with this. The comfort, the sound, as far as console, you got to win here, right? The only thing I would suggest, in my opinion, is don't get this all red version, right? Get one of the other colors because, again, this red just looks cheesy to me. So let me know down in the comments, do you own the Recon 70s? Are you thinking about picking them up? Again, at that $39 price range, I think we got a pretty good deal. I'm sure these things are going to go on sale, and when they hit that $29 price range, I think you're going to have yourself a steal. But hey, thank you so much for watching this review on the Turtle Beach Recon 70 headset. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. And I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.